Hi everyone, so welcome to the Year 9 Assembly. We're week 8 of lockdown. Now I've got a really important one today. I've got some messages to give you. Please pay attention to these. Pause the video where you need to. The information will be on the screen and I'll try and explain it in the best way that I can. So first one is that I can't wait to see you all next week. I'm really glad that schools are opening back up again so we can start to get back to some sort of normality. And we're really excited to have back in the building. First message I'm going to go through is the option process. The school's reopening. Currently, online learning will continue until that day you start your full school day back, which we'll go into a little bit more detail. What the testing procedure looks like, and again, what it's going to look like when you come back to school. So the options, we completed these sections. We are still just on this. The last few interviews are going ahead today, I believe, and that is it. Everyone should have had theirs by now. If you haven't and you haven't got anything in your calendar, please just drop me an email and I'll get on to Mr. Ansell to get that done. Next part is you just get that confirmed, what your options are in a letter to parents, finalising exactly what your options are going to look like. So for Tuesday, so Monday you are online learning, Monday the 8th, so you'll do exactly what you've been doing throughout this whole of lockdown. But on Tuesday, these are the times you need to come in. So we've got 9F will come in from 8:30 till 9, 9O in from 9 to 9:30, 9R 9:30 to 10, 9E 10 to 10:30, 9S 10:30 to 11, 9T 11 to 11:30. Now you only come in if you have submitted a consent form. Okay, it's very important you only come in on Tuesday in those times if you have submitted a consent form. If you are unsure of your form group, you have forgotten, please have a look on Show My Homework and have your form group there on your timetable. Okay, make sure you know which form you are coming in for. The codes that come up on your timetable, i.e. For PE, it might say 9X or 9Y. They are obviously not form groups. You must come in during the time that's allocated for your form group. So check that on Show My Homework, but only if you have submitted a consent form. You must have a face covering, but no uniform is required, so come in your normal clothes, but you must have a face covering on, okay, throughout this process, apart from obviously when you're doing the test, you won't be able to. The whole thing should take around about 30 minutes, not very long, and throughout that day, online learning will continue. Obviously, you will miss the lessons that you are coming in for testing, but please get straight back onto that as soon as you get back home or before you leave for your test. The follow-up tests, as you know, there's 3. They will be done during the school time. You'll be taken from your lesson to go and have your test done and then go back to your lesson. From Wednesday, so if you didn't consent, you would now, this is your first day back into school. Everyone is back in, whether you consented or not to a test, okay? Now, the day is going to look as it was before lockdown, before Christmas, which was a 9 to 2:40, apart from Mondays where you have that little extension at the end till 3:10 with your form tutor. You're going to come in via the New North Road entrance and exit exactly as you did before. We line up in the middle playground. You need your full school uniform plus a face covering. This you must have with you, please. We do not have a stock of them to give out. You must have them. It's your responsibility to make sure that you have a face covering. When I say full school uniform, I know some of you would have done some growing over this time. You now have this week to try and get that sorted. If you've decided to go a little bit wild with hair colourings and things like that, please make sure all of that is sorted before you come back. You have time, so please get that sorted. We are grab bag lunches that you can purchase, or if you receive a free school meal, you will collect. So there'll be credit on your account for that, but they are grab bags, okay? So that's a cold lunch. It is first break again in the canteen. That's when we collect our lunch at the very beginning. And when we come back next week, we are on week 2. Okay, just in case anyone has not realised, we will go on to week 2. If you are not sure of your timetable, again, your timetables are all on Show My Homework, so please check those. Talk a little bit more about the face covering. So you must bring your face covering with you to school every single day. You'll be required to wear these in lessons when moving around the building. Teachers will have the discretion to allow students to remove the face coverings if they wish. So they are, the circumstances will be different in every lesson. So for instance, in PE, we won't ask you to obviously wear them when we're doing PE, but you will need to wear them when you're in the changing room and moving around the building. If you have a medical exemption, that means you do not need to wear a face covering. You must submit your evidence to admin@theforestacademy.co.uk, and we will ensure that you are able to communicate this clearly to the members of staff. So please make sure you let them know, okay? Coming in next week and just saying, well, I'm exempt. If we don't know about it, then unfortunately that will not be accepted, okay? You must have a face covering unless you are exempt and your evidence has been submitted to admin@theforestacademy.co.uk. Pretty quickly, just about the form group. So 9F, you continue with Miss Price in room 7. You now have Mr. Duran joining you. So if you haven't met him yet in PE, he is new to the PE department. 9O, you will stay with Mr. Burt in room 8. 9R, you have Miss Akuchi and Mr. Montiel in room 78. 9E, Mr. Amponza in room 72. 9S, you have Miss Gonzalez again in room 77, and 90 with Miss Folad in 73. Submissions this week. This is just absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of everybody that manages to that puts in the effort to submit work. This shows that you are really taking your education really seriously and you're putting in that extra effort. It is really commendable and well done to everyone. And lastly, obviously, if you need to contact me, there's my email address there. You can also contact me on Show My Homework and I'll respond as quick as possible. But if not, enjoy your last week of online learning, last full week of online learning. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Take care, everyone.